So here's our other project that we got going on, along with the flathead. We pulled this motor yesterday out of a Toyota pickup truck. Looks kind of like Marty McFly's in Back to the Future, just to give you an example of what it looks like. So this is a 22RE engine. This is actually a crate engine, was put in this particular pickup truck 4 years ago. And the owner has just a little tiny problem. Now, I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. Hopefully I can get a good angle on it. But that rod back there, that's bent. Like, bent. Bad. Bent. Needs to come out. So, yeah, that's kind of what we're dealing with this. This whole thing needs to get stripped apart. We need to pull that. Hopefully it hasn't damaged too many other things. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. But yeah, that's that. One more look at that. That is really bad. Bad bent. All right.